I'm Richard Elishadi or Tuzemi. As the effect of the price hike in fuel and other inflation in Nigeria continue to bite hard on Nigerians, tricycle riders, also known as keke riders, and motorcycle riders, bike and okadas in Delta State, Warri precisely don embark on a massive protest in Warri Delta State. As we speak, keke no dey move, bike no dey move, even motorists no dey move because now they just storm the streets to vet their angers over the increase in fuel pump price as they carry the former price now to 1,000, while filling stations are selling from 1,002 to 1,003 precisely in different parts of this country. Now they say no, they're not going to accept am. And meanwhile, as this protest they go, I know say other states go join this protest. As government say make Nigerians not sleep, they themselves not go sleep because their mind go touch ground for this one. It won't be so, and it will be very bad to say as they enter office, as they mark 1 year in office, several protests don happen due to the hardship and bad decision when this government don make. Observe the protest.
This one around before First Marine Gate down to Deco Junction, you can see how human beings they cooperate. So my bottom line of doing this video is for us to be united as well. Make we unite as well so that we can achieve our aims. This will not be evil say na their own. These are evil people want to get their own motto. See exactly what is happening. You can see the unity. You can see the unity. See, evil person when he gets car, they reverse her back. Look at this man here now. Look at this man. They stop and now see this man. Now I see that they tell us to go back to where for the block. They block everywhere. Deco Road, Hausa Quarter, everywhere is being blocked right now. I agree they have.